Every morning, the same routine. Scan the feeds, find the story, rewrite it in your own words, format it, publish it. An hour of your day, gone, every single day. Let's replace that whole routine with one workflow. Here's what we're building, and it's shorter than you'd expect. An RSS feed brings the story in, a filter throws out what you don't cover, and an agent rewrites it and posts it. 3 steps. That's the entire thing. It runs whether you're awake or not. Let's start with the trigger. Hit the plus and search for RSS Feed. Choose New Item in RSS Feed. Paste in the feed URL of any publication you follow. FlowMattic checks that feed on a schedule and fires the moment something new appears. Let's test it so we can see what a story actually gives us. There it is. Title, link, the full content, the publish date, the author. Every one of those fields is now available to every step that follows. But you don't want to republish everything. So step 2 is a filter, set to continue if condition meet. Only stories whose title mentions your niche get through. Everything else stops right here. That's your relevance gate. It costs you nothing, and it keeps your site on topic. Now for the interesting part. Add a step and search for Agent. AI Agent by FlowMattic. And notice what happens on the canvas. This step isn't a box, it's an agent. It gets 3 connection points of its own. Chat model is the brain. Pick the provider you've connected and the model you want to use. Memory lets it remember across runs, so your coverage stays consistent instead of contradicting yesterday. And tools are the things it can actually do. This is the part that surprises people. Click the plus under Tools and add WordPress New Post. You did not just add a 4th step. You handed the agent a capability. The agent decides when to use it, and it creates the post itself. And inside that tool, set the post status to draft. The agent writes, you approve. That one setting is the difference between a site you're proud of and a site you're apologizing for. Now let's tell it what its job is. The system prompt defines who the agent is. You are an editor for a WordPress site covering this niche. Rewrite in your own words. Never copy sentences verbatim. Write a headline under 60 characters, then publish it as a draft. Then the user input is what you handed on every single run. Click the plus and map the fields from the RSS step. The title, the content, the link. One prompt. Every story that ever comes through this feed. Now let's watch a real run. A story appears in the feed. The filter checks it, the agent reads it, rewrites it, and calls its WordPress tool all on its own. And a draft lands in WordPress ready for you. Your morning routine in about 9 seconds. You are still the editor, you just stopped being the typist. Go point it at your favorite feed. And subscribe because next we build an agent that answers your customers.